Good morning, children. Today I'm going to teach you maths, and that's going to be very easy. So, we are going to learn before, after, and in between numbers. So, let's begin. Now, with the help of the number line 1 to 10, which is given below, we have to find out before, after, and in between numbers and fill in the boxes. Okay, children. So, there is a number line here which says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the first one here, in between, there is a number 4. And this is before and this is after. So, if you look at the number 4, which is the number which comes before 4? 3. So, you need to write 3 here. And which is the number which comes after 4? 5. So, we need to write 5 here. Okay? So, let's do the next one. Next one says between. Between means what comes in the middle of two numbers. So we have 6 here and we have 8. So what number is there between 6 and 8? Number 7. So we will write 7. Again, there is a before and after sum. So the number which is given here is 7. So keep your pencil on number 7. So what is the number which is before 7? 6. So let's write 6. And which is the number which is after 7? 8. So let's write 8. Now another before and after sum. So which number is this? 9. So keep your finger or keep your pencil near number 9. Which is the number which is before 9? 8. So 8. Which is the number which is after 9? 10. So let's put a 10 here. And another between problem. You have number 3 and number 5. So keep your pencil near 3. And the next number is 5. So which is the number which is in between 3 and 5? Number 4. So let's put a 4. Okay, children. So let's do some more like this. Here there is 12. Okay. Now the number increases from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the number given to you is 12. So keep your pencils there. Which is the number before 12? 11. So put 11 here. Keep your pencil near 12. Which is the number after 12? 13. So 13. The next one. 16. Keep your pencils near 16. Which is the number before 16? 15. So let's put a 15 there. Keep your pencil near 16. Which is the number after 16? 17. Now in between 17 and 19. So keep your pencil near 17. And the next number is 19. So which is the number which is in between 17 and 19? It is 18. Another one. 14. So keep your pencil near 14. Which is the number before 14? 13. Keep your pencil near 14. Which is the number after 14? 15. So this way you can do all the other one. So this is 17. Which is the number after 17? 18. Which is the number before 17? 16. And another in between problem. in between 13 and 15. So 13 is here and 15 is here. In between comes 14. So I hope you've understood what is before, after and in between. With a lot of practice, you will be able to do many more like this. So let's do some more. Now what you have to do here is write the missing numbers in the pictures given below. So there are 3 leaves here, and the number in the center leaf or in the middle leaf is 6. So which is the number which comes before 6? 5. Which is the number which comes after 6? 7. And here the next picture is a hand. Okay, so you don't have anything written in the center, that is in between. So the number which is given to you is 8 and 10. So what comes in between 8 and 10? 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now you have the number 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes after 3? 4. And the last one, what comes in between 1 and 3? 2. Like that, fill in the clouds with the missing numbers now. So 11, in between comes 12. 16, 15 and 17. 19, before 19 comes 18 and after 19, 20. So in between 14 and 16, 15. 14, 15, 16. The last one is already done. So it's 12, 13 and 14. So before 13 is 12 and after 13 is 14. So like this, you can learn the numbers which comes before, after and in between. Bye for now, children. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You enjoy your day and bye for now.